How to build an Android game on Unity. First step is gonna be to attach your project. The way you do that is on the top right under services. Look up for your project. In this case mine is called ALE, and a few numbers, and the project that I want to attach here is 360. Just click the link. Yes. Now what's gonna give you is the option to use Unity, all their plugins such as ads, analytics, and more. In my case, I just wanna keep the analytics on and the ads. If this is not turned on, the ads will not work. So make sure to turn it on. The next step is gonna be to import a custom package. In this case, I want to import a package that I created, which has ads, advertisements. It has banner advertisements as well as a pop-up. For this, just go into assets, import package, custom package, and now you're gonna look for the package wherever you downloaded. So in my case, this is a package that I was looking for. You select everything, you click import, just let it load. Now this part here is very important. These numbers in here, if you're doing an ad script, they have to match the game ID that you have in your Unity dashboard, and the banner you created, same thing, the name has to match with the Unity dashboard, otherwise you won't get paid. Now the last step is how to build the Android app. In here, make sure the Android is selected. If not, you're gonna have an option that says switch to Android. You must also download the Android component for it to work. On the top right, you fill out the name, company name, version number, everything you want to add there. Now here, this is very important. The package name, it needs to be a unique package name, meaning if another one exists, you'll get an error. So make sure it's unique. I usually put my website's name in the middle. It's gonna be com.alejandro7, and then the name of the game. In here, also usually try to use the highest version possible and select the target architectures. You need to select the two of them. Next step is gonna be signing your app, the package. The way you do that is if you don't have one, just create a new one. Make sure to put it somewhere you won't lose it. Usually I recommend putting it in the same directory where you have your game, so that way you don't lose it. And also try to enter an easy password so that way you don't forget. Last step is to make sure you click build app bundle. This will make your APK a lot smaller and easier to upload as well. So just click build, select the file, and this file, put it somewhere you can access it, because this is a file you're gonna be uploading into the App Store or Google Play Store. So to upload the app, you wanna go to your Google Play console. It's for developers. On the top right, you're gonna create app, or if there's an app already created, you just click it and it's gonna take you to a similar interface. You just put the name and all the other info. After you do that window, you're gonna go here on the top left, store presence, main store listing, and you wanna do this screen first. You put all the info on top, and here you're gonna need app icons, and these icons, they need to be the exact dimensions that they ask you for, or else it's gonna give you an error. The way you get them is just take screenshots of the app, and then make sure they're the right dimensions and upload them over here. One thing that I do is I create another file inside the directory of the app, and in there I put all the description and all the icons that I'm gonna be using for the app to be uploaded. In here I already have all the app icons, so you can just drag and drop them or click them and then look for them in your computer. Just make sure they're the right dimensions so you don't get any errors. If you have a video, this is also a place to include and it will show on the listing. Here where it says phone and screenshots, just drag and drop the rest of the screenshots. Next, you want to go on the left, look for testing, then open testing. If you're a small developer, I recommend to do open testing first. That way you can test your app before it actually goes into production. It does not affect your ratings. On the top right, click create a new one, and then you're gonna upload here the file, the builds that you created. Also make sure you click continue for the app signing. It's a really good option. After you finish uploading, it will look like this at bundle. It's gonna click save, review release, and yeah, you have to finish everything before you can publish it, but that's fine. So in here you're gonna go with just one until you complete everything. So first, app access. There's no special access for this specific app. There's no login or anything like that. Perfect, save. Now I go back to the dashboard, content rating. I'm just gonna hide my email and do everything else. Here, click that's a game. Next. No, this is just a pulse game that even kids could play. Nothing. So most of this is just no. I also know most of this by memory already. That's why I'm going fast. Click save. Next. Perfect. All ages. And just a kids game, so no problem. Finish with this one as well. Target audience. Yes, this app contains. Yes, my app contains that. That's very important. Privacy policy. So in my case, I have my privacy policy over here. It's also inside the app, but it's over here. So you want to put this. If you're building the app for me, you want to put this over here. Perfect. Target audience. Just gonna do 13 and over, even though actually I'm gonna do all ages because really for kids. So I'm just gonna select over 9 actually, just so I don't have any issues. No. Perfect. Finish with this part as well. News app. No, this is not a news app. And that's it. Everything seems done. Now we go back to open testing. Select all the countries and regions. So this is all the places where the app is available for beta. Review release. One more error. Okay, we got something else in the dashboard. So that's a game. In this case, a puzzle. Get your email there. Save. We go back to open testing. Edit release. Review. Okay, perfect. You might have some warnings. That's fine because it was built with Unity and that's why you get those. So start allow for there. And once you get in review, that means it's been submitted to Google and they will review it.